Good evening.
Hmm?
Are you Emmanuel Jibono?
Yeah?
Are you Emmanuel Jibono?
Yes, I'm Emmanuel Jibuna. I'm Emmanuel Jibuna.
Yes. I'm from immigration. UK immigration?
You're welcome.
Thank you. You left your details at Heathrow.
No, they saw me there. I came. I was there. I passed. It was Tuesday that I passed.
Okay. Is your departure day 14th of November?
Hmm?
Is your departure day 14th of November? Are you flying on the 14th of November?
No, I spoke to you. There was one woman that I saw one woman there. He asked me. He said if I'm going this thing 14th of November. Actually, I answered that it was 14th of November that I'm going.
And when are you going?
I'm going. What really happened was that it was my sister that actually filled the form for me.
Who filled your form?
My younger sister. Then she didn't fill it well. She now gave my brother to fill it. My daddy was also talking about the.
How big is your family?
Hmm?
How big is your family?
We have a large family. So many people in my family.
Okay. Who submitted your form?
Actually, this is myself. I was the one that actually submitted it myself. But I'm not the one that filled it. But they told me I submitted it myself.
Okay. Don't worry, calm down, sir. There's no emergency yet.
Hmm? There's no what?
There is no emergency. Just checking.
You're just checking. Checking about what?
About your departure day. We just wanted to clear it. When are you going?
No, that's what I'm saying now. I've answered you.
Okay, there's no emergency. I'm just joking. I'm here to see Titus.
Like, I don't understand.
Titus!
Like-
Chidi!
Who? No, and you got me scared up. I was scared up.
No need to panic. He's my friend.
Oh,
He's my friend.
my guys! You can call me. Do that. Hey! Baby! Come. Hi! Baby, sit down. Now, show you the senator.
Yes, so she will make me fear. I think say na immigration people.
Now, so.
Oh.
Now, I will tell you about now.
Eh.
When they close that way. Now, that guy will want to help me get papers now.
Oh.
Yes. But how you doing?
Very nice.
Hope you have my papers now. Because I tell my family people I become citizen in one way. Hope you have my papers now. That ice.
My guy.
I tell you now.
My guy.
I'm going to be citizen.
Today's paper.
Newspaper.
Today's paper, yes.